We are Team Techno. Our product is Trick Analy, which is an AI workload management for sports persons. For prototype purposes, we have restricted the sport as cricket. An athlete in his or her prime can win a gold medal in Olympics or even win games single-handedly for the team. But pushing the limits of his or her body constantly can expose him or her to fatigue, stress, fracture, ligament tear, and also mental illness. That's why workload management is very important. This optimizes the performance of the players, thereby bringing victories to the team by reducing the risk of injury, detecting excessive fatigue, identifying its causes, and constantly adapting rest, recovery, training, and competition loads based on athletes' individual physical and psychological wellness, fitness, and health. This is our own page with rich UI. We have listed the services we provide here. First, let's evaluate the fitness of a player for the current match. We have provided an option to choose either a batsman and all-rounder in one category or a bowler, because data for both bowler and batsman are different and the evaluation parameters are also different. So, first let's check for a batsman. Now we have a form to fill. Kindly provide names of the Indian team members. For example, let's evaluate for Dhoni. For age, we will give 40, the month, year and severity of injury as September 2020 and level 3. We have given the explanation for the various levels of severity of injuries above. For strike rate, 95, average 46. As batsman doesn't have any economy, let's provide it as 0. For BMI, we will give it as 22.2. The yo-yo test will be excellent. 1 past injury and 25 total matches. And voila! Here we have the result. The same way we will provide the bowlers also. The next aspect of our project is mental health, which is very important for a player. We will fill the given form here and there we have the result and some tips. Due to time constraint, we could not add some features in our prototype. We are planning to implement later. Thank you.